Hey guys, we are Contrix. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix issues in your JBL Live headphones. Sometimes, without even knowing, your headphones may not work as you want them to. Your microphone may not work, Bluetooth may not pair, and a lot of problems may arise. In a time like this, the most working fix is to factory reset your headphones. This resolves 90% of your problems. I'll go through step by step in this process. First, turn on your JBL Live headphones by sliding up the power button on the right ear cup. After powering up, you have to press the volume up and volume down buttons simultaneously for 5 to 6 seconds. Then, you'll hear this sound and the device will restart. Then again, you'll hear the device power up sound followed by a guitar string playing sound. This sound verifies that your JBL is successfully reset to factory defaults. JBL is an amazing pair of headphones. Even this video was done using the JBL Live 650BT NC. There is a link in the description if you're interested to buy these headphones. Hope this video helped you to fix your issues. If you liked our video, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified about more videos in the future. Thank you guys. See you later. Bye.